Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, January 13th, 2025. Wow, it's kind of hard to say that. 2025. Yeah. So, yeah, I was gone all last week, but now we're back. And what is going on? Well, it looks like today, as a typical Monday, very, very little news. In fact, you see only one USDA federal budget balance, which is going to be an ugly, ugly number, 2 p.m. But as always, nobody cares. So it is a low impact item. So there you go. That's all I've got for you for news. Taking a look at the charts. Wow, last week was ugly. We broke that little shelf low there around 58.75, and we are gapping down as we speak. The next low volume node, you can see I put a little arrow there, is about 5,800. So I would say 5,800 is probably the bottom side, at least for today. Although if we really got going, this high volume node might be in play as well, which is 57.68. If we go back to the upside, there's another low volume node right here at 58.75, which is also a cluster right around these lows right here, which is where we could retrace back to. Surprisingly decent volume on Friday, above average. So that's a little disconcerting. This is not a good looking pattern by any stretch of the imagination. Moving on. The down price action with down inventory. Inventory was down about 3,000 contracts. That's really not panic selling or anything like that, but it is negative, and these are correlated, so that's what we want to see. Looking at the overnight action, we had about 58 points of action. That's a lot of volatility. And you can see there's a lot of horizontal lines. So let's talk about the most interesting lines are where we have confluence, which is lots of lines around this 58, 60 to 65 area. A lot of stuff going on right there. So that would be resistance. If we go up a little bit higher, you've got some at 58.83, 58.92. Of course, the whole number of 5,900, and there's a little confluence zone above that, 58.03 to 58.07. On the support side, obviously there's a bunch of muck here in the middle. We're going to ignore that. Come down here and say 5809, 5800, definitely the number in the line in the sand. 5791, a little bit of confluence around 5761. We get below the whole number of 5750, and it could get a little ugly, but you can see there is a band of support down here between 5740 and 5725. So there's kind of the numbers and the zones for today. Stock Traders Almanac for January 13th, Monday, is 52.4. 52.4. Of course, that is from the Stock Traders Almanac, which is brand new for the start of the year here. Again, 52.4. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. And yeah, hope stops tight. Yeah. Scary. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.